So hi everyone, how are you today? So my name is Owen and today's topic is talking about people potentially behind their back, and is it okay? For me it's all about, everything's always about like the intention or the reason why you're doing things, and especially the number one thing is the energy in which you're doing it. Even if you don't have a clear intention, the energy describes the purpose and the way you're talking about a person, if it's with respect and care and love and integrity or not. So for me, the phrase talking about people behind their back has a negative connotation, but like we all sort of talk about each other, we mention each other, we bring each other, sort of other people up in our daily life, in our life, you know, from time to time. So it's all about how or why, and the energy and the frequency, the emotional state we're in and the mental state we're in doing it. Are they high thoughts or lower thoughts? Higher, like vibrational thoughts, or lower, like downer thoughts, like just bad mouthing people. So for me, in my own personal experience, and this is just me, I'm not saying it's the right way, I do prefer to give people their freedom to do whatever they want. So I'm not going to be like waiting to pounce on somebody and judge them should I find out that they were talking about me behind my back. I'm not waiting to like spring into judgment and like condemnation. That's not my style. And similarly, I do prefer, and this is just my own preference for sure, I prefer if I'm allowed, of course I'm allowed, but if I am not resisted by another person, should I happen to mention them, you know? So for me, the only thing you want to consider is like, how are people going to handle it or take it? So, you know, for one person might love it or be absolutely fine, and another person can be like very easily upset, especially if it's a sensitive subject or topic. Like let's say they had a divorce or something, they had a big breakup. So we have to just use our own common sense and intuition and be emotionally tuned in, and then the answers will come to us, and think and feel from our heart, think from our heart, and the answers will come. So a lot of common sense and heart-based sort of centeredness is necessary as well in making the decisions. So yeah, that's all I really want to say, because we don't be too mental or too spiritual law-based. Oh, I'm free, you're free, we're divine being. We want to be like tuned into people's emotions and where they're at in life and how they're feeling and how they're coping at the moment. So you don't want to talk too freely with someone, for example, who's suicidal or depressed, and say, oh, but I have the freedom to do whatever I want. I'm living true to myself, because that can be disconnected or not attuned, and then all you get is a result that's not pleasant. So do you want a result that's pleasant or a result that's not pleasant, while still living your truth to be heart-centered and caring? Like that's the truth where you wouldn't live your reckless truth, you know? So there's different versions and perspectives and ways we can go about everything, and I hope this video helps. I better go. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Best day ever.